Hello children, I once again welcome you all for English class. In this video, we will learn the lesson The Proposal written by Anton Chekhov. Proposal is a one-act play that begins with a young man, Lomo, presenting a marriage proposal to his neighbor's daughter. Before he could actually convey it to the girl, they enter into an argument about Oxen Meadows. Chubukov, the lady's father, also joins the heated discussion. After they end this, they enter into another argument about their dogs, like which one is better than the other. In the midst of all this, proposal gets forgotten until Lomo falls off due to his palpitations and Chubukov instantly puts her daughter's hands in Lomo's. Unfortunately, the quarreling still continues. With this introduction of the chapter, let us know about its story more clearly. The curtain rises with Lomo entering his neighbor Chubukov's house fully dressed up in his evening attire. Chubukov is surprised to see him well dressed and asks him the occasion. Lomo reveals that he had come to make a request. Chubukov anticipates that he must have come to ask for money which he doesn't intend on giving. On being revealed that Lomo had come to ask for Chubukov's daughter Natalya's hand in marriage, Chubukov gets filled with excitement and leaves to call Natalya. Lomo is a 35-year-old gentleman who suffers from palpitations, gets upset very easily and doesn't sleep well. He thinks it is the best age for him to get married and he is happy that he has his mind made up about Natalya. According to him, Natalya is average looking and a good housekeeper. When Natalya arrives, Lomo begins the conversation about how grateful and glad he is that both their families are on good terms since the very beginning. While continuing to talk about his land, he somehow mentions about Oxen Meadows, which earlier was a disputed property, but is now his. Natalya couldn't believe a word he was saying because she believes that Oxen Meadows belong to her family. Both of them enter into a heated discussion and act childishly when Chubukov enters just to get the conversation more heated. They shout and scream while Lomo suffers from extreme pounding of the heart, a side pull and a numb foot. They throw Lomo out of the house and continue cursing him. While speaking ill of him, Chubukov unintentionally reveals that he had come with a marriage proposal for Natalya, which surprises Natalya and she immediately regrets sending him out. She tells her father to bring him back immediately and Chubukov curses himself on being a father of a grown-up daughter. When Lomo returns, Natalya tries to deviate to another topic and starts talking about shooting. Somehow, they enter into an argument involving their dogs. Natalya feels that her squeezer is better than Lomo's guess. They continue arguing when Chubukov enters the scene only to make the situation worse once again. Everyone gets hyper and Lomo finally falls due to his palpitations. Even then, the cursing continues when suddenly Natalya notices that he is unconscious, then try to get water down his throat but end up getting unsuccessful and declare him dead. It is only when Lomo moves a little bit, they feed him some water and Chubukov forcefully hands over Natalya's hands to him, gives his blessings and asks them to kiss. Lomo, still not fully conscious, doesn't understand what is going on. When he finally comes to his senses, he expresses his excitement and kisses Natalya's hands. Natalya, being childish as she is, manipulates him in accepting that squeezer is better than guess, but Lomo, being adamant as he is, refuses to accept it. Thus, once again, the quarreling continues. With this explanation, we have come to the end of this lesson.